4 individuals are now being hunted by authorities for duping some 200 applicants for jobs overseas. The illegal recruiters allegedly promised their victims various jobs in Australia, New Zealand, Australia, and Germany. Sweden Velado reports.
Overseas Employment Administration, or POEA, launched a nationwide manhunt today on illegal recruiters of Bantayog Travel and Tours and PADS Travel and Tours for victimizing over 200 Filipino applicants. POEA assured that the suspects would not be allowed to go out of the country.
Kung antayin natin yung warrant of arrest, dahil regular filing natin, it will take months and years bago labasan ng warrant of arrest. So yan, nakatulong na, magtatago na yan. Samantala yung entrapment operation, napakabilis po. Uhuli natin, makulong kaagad yan.
Isinagawa po na natin ang koordinasyon with the Bureau of Immigration para siguradong hindi sila makalabas. Bahagi siyempre ng manhunt is yung paniniguro na hindi sila makalabas. So we assure you that this is already well coordinated with the Bureau of Immigration.
All victims were promised high-paying jobs as butchers in Australia and New Zealand, nurses in Germany, and teachers, caregivers, and welders in Japan. They could fly immediately between 30 to 60 days after settling the processing or placement fee that is much lower compared to other agencies. 40 victims have submitted their sworn statements to POEA, and according to the agency, it is enough to charge the prime suspects with large-scale illegal recruitment. The case is non-bailable and punishable with life imprisonment. One victim named Darla, who came all the way from Davao, where he resigned as call center agent to work as a caregiver in Japan and paid 90,000 pesos as placement fee, expressed his satisfaction over the quick response and assistance of the government.
Yun po yung mabigyan kami ng pagkakataon talaga na makapag-apply pa rin po sa application na nagawa sa amin ng illegal recruiter namin. Kasi parang personally, nahiya po talaga akong umuwi sa amin para ipakita na ayun, na-scam kami.
The Assist Well program of POEA and the Department of Labor and Employment may be used by the victims to look for legitimate local and overseas jobs or be given livelihood assistance. The POEA warned the public not to easily believe job posts offered in social media. The agency urged applicants to visit their office, contact their hotlines, or check their official website first to get the complete list of licensed recruitment agencies in the country. For the PTV News, Sweden Velado.